Welcome back to the HipHop Breakdown. Guys, my name is Ceech, and I have here today Rafe here with me, and we are going to break down two very fun 8 counts down for you guys. Here we go. Let's check it out first. 5, 6, 7, and 8. All right. Fist bump. Here we go. Let's break this down, guys. Before we get started, in case you didn't know, my name is Ceech. I love to share this dance culture of ours. Every week I post dance videos to help you improve in your dance journey. So if you can benefit from this type of video, you know what to do, guys. Hit that like button. It helps out the channel more than you know. Also consider subscribing if you haven't done so already. All right, here we go. First off, guys, this routine is not very difficult as far as the bottom half is concerned, so we're going to take care of that right away. Focus on the legs. Watch Rafe and I do this real quick. Here we go. By the way, we're doing this half time, all right? This is half speed. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Notice I'm just doing the same thing. The leg doesn't change. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Right on the 4, that's when we stop. That's the arm. 5, 6. Shake, shake, shake. 7 and 8. That's the 7 and 8. All right? All right. So if you got the legs down, all you got to do now is focus on the arms. Here we go. I'm going to break it down. 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to pause it right there for a second. So all I'm doing is I'm swinging my arms. Okay? Try not to bend the elbow that much. I do bend it when I cross it in though, but check it out. So right on the 1, watch the 1. 1, notice the arms. Rafe arms, perfectly straight. Pretty straight, right? The elbows don't really bend. That's the 1. And right on the 2, I'm crossing. There are some bends to it, but that's okay, because when you cross your arms, that's what happens just a little bit, all right? That's the 3. Now 3, that's the 2. I'm sorry, that's the 2. 3 and 4 is going to go all the way around. Watch. 3 and 4. That's pretty straight, right? 3 and 4. We're going to end it on the 4 right there. The legs don't stop, okay? Moving on to the 5. Here we go. 5 and 6, and then 7 and 8, okay? 8, we end it with a cross. We're going to continue this. Here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Now we stop. Now we stop on the 4, okay? Legs don't move anymore. 5 and 6, we're crossing our arm. This is going to be our right arm. Right arm cross. Left arm crossed, that's 5, 6. And then 7 and 8, we're going to pivot on the ball of our feet. That means the heels are off the ground, toes are on the ground. Shake, shake, shake. That's the 7 and 8. And you are done, everybody. So what I'm going to do right now, Rafe and I, we are going to do the routine. We're going to take the previous 2 8 counts. So if you haven't seen that, check out previous week's breakdown and you'll see it. And we're going to put it together. So there's a total of 4 8 counts. Guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Have fun. Practice a lot. Leave me in the comments if there's any questions. All right? Otherwise, I'll see you guys next week. Peace, and I'm out.